And we're live. Hi everyone. Hi, this is Michael from Pixeesoft. Welcome to our first live streamed stand-up. I'm standing up. I raised my table. And here we have another problem. I have low battery. Just a sec. Real world problems. Real world problems. Setting up live stream, trying to make everything work, and then what happens? I run out of battery. Well, good thing it told me. Anyway, back to what we were talking about, stand-up, right? Work. I'm sorry it's a bit late. We're already halfway through. I was struggling with OBS. That's what I'm using. Open Broadcaster Software. Studio, yeah. It's open source. It's available on GitHub. It's, also free, so it's great. Anyway, let's get right into what we're here for. The stand-up. Right, so here is our Scrum board as you know it from our previous videos. Those that don't, well, this is it. We're using Trello, and here we have the task that we defined on our latest sprint planning. And so, yeah, as we are left with only half a day, I need to cater to that. So I think I'm gonna go for the Git repository because this seems large. And if I start working on it, maybe I'll, get half a day, and then I'll be really frustrated at the end of the day that I didn't finish, even though I really wanted to finish. So I'm just gonna take the Git repo. That's fairly straightforward. Definition of done, all code in Bitbucket. And there is a README. I think that's, it's pretty easy, though there are certain things that I would like the structure of the folders to be precise with regards to the project. I also need to put the in-house PHP framework in. That's not that great. It should be an external dependency, but then again, as I mentioned before, I'm not intending to keep it up to date, the framework itself. I don't want to do any changes because the times have changed, the technology moved forward, and I actually don't think that it's viable to keep having it this way. So I'm just gonna put it in because I'm not touching that. So that should be easy. And then I need to take a half a day, create database for billing service. Yes. That should be no description. No, I mean, this one is straightforward. There are just certain things that go with it. The definition of done, well, the database is created, right? I have an SQL file. I can just drop it in and then connect to it and then see that everything is in place, everything is correct. And that's pretty much it. So these two tasks are pretty much a half a day. I'm gonna spend some time tinkering around with this video. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but that's pretty much it. There's nothing to report from yesterday because yesterday I was doing the planning video. Well, I was editing it, I was cutting it. I also cut my hair, as probably you can tell from if you saw the video. It was pretty hot in here. We just had a huge heat wave in Europe and it was pretty crazy. Anyway, back to work. These are the two tasks. We'll talk about them tomorrow. There is nothing in the chat. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. And I think I'll see you tomorrow.